There's been a lot of commotion about the release of Android 11 in India, and Google also kind of stated that it will not be released any sooner. But we got a pleasant surprise as the Android 11 update has started rolling out for Pixel devices. So hello guys, this is TechBaz and today we are going to tell you how to install Android 11 update, which I just did on my Pixel 3. If you haven't received the update yet, you can try turning on the battery saver mode and then restart your device to check again. The update will take around 1.5 GB of your data and will take some time to be downloaded. Once the update is downloaded, click on Restart Now button and it will start optimizing apps and then will automatically restart to install the update. After restart, you can see that it will take some moment to finish update. Once update is finished, we can move to the settings and about phone. Then Android version, here is Android 11. Let's check what's new game they have added here. Now I'll soon update another video after testing all the features and if there is any bugs in this update. So stay tuned for the next video and subscribe for more updates. Also like if it helped you.